Hands together, make some noise. I'm on stage, Bishop Sekete.
Hallelujah, hallelujah. Hallelujah, hallelujah. Pulupore, hallelujah. Limpopo, hallelujah. Ayeye, Satani, ayeye. Ayeye, Matimona, ayeye. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. After today, my life will never be. Hallelujah. Give a mama to well, there's gonna be a turnaround tonight. There's gonna be defend the moki samaya. Kuhula siama manat. Impataya samaisa. Kisha sote muasina. Awani neliena. Kachenu iseliena. Ikaduna iliena. Kahosa feli. Upesa mina uringilela lesa mahua kanitame. Kusoya kaikatswa kari. Batile musebetsi. Batile mereto haumala. Batia kusoya hao. Kusoya hao ki Jehova. Vamos sepile pakete maswaba. Oh, hallelujah, hallelujah. Mina tokoni likunutu nemorena. Kumonati hataka. Wansaba kiraka mwere. Kirule to. I can't tell it's okay now to shake it off, shake it off, shake it off. I gotta shake it off. Whatever they have said about you, shake it off. Whatever the devil has said about you, shake it off. The devil is a liar. Where you are going to is bigger than what you are going through. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. If you let walk in Samaya, Ulahia Babamad, Impanayan Samaisa, Kishaso. What's about Tomo Bitaka Fusto Oscana? How afraid about their full stop Oscar want? How Pijama Museveti Babia full stop Oscar Quad? Udima had to have full stop high delete. Udea Wani Kaudi. If you do an exclamation, Ubobina Sifina said, oh, how Udino? Give words, Ayakaka. Now I salute Pijama. Give out to the 2025 season. Udimaka Umakas. It's how to wear. I can repeat 2025. It's Jehovah. Akaumakas. Oh, what I'm saying is boxing. I saw in the wrestling. Boxing about dia, but he don't tell you. Baba. Mara wrestling, but you never told you. How do you do? And how do you do? Referee Isaiah Maya fast. Ibalaisha fast. Yeah, sometimes the weight is too big, you cannot stand. But the rule they are wrestling is if you can't stand, just kick. Hallelujah. Give a mama, I'm still kicking. I'm still kicking. Ask us how I'm still here. After the pain, after the storm, I'm still getting here. Alright. In the last 5 minutes. Give a mama do there is before and after. Baratu wa modimo wa tima hu introduce matata how hu dirasa how. Ore hakata u chincha mate matsiba ore asika mak. Asika mo. There is a tomb, there is a womb. womb, God is working in your womb. That is why Nina Tokori, when I remember what the Lord has done, I will never. What's in our tomorrow? Samson. I have a problem. They cut the head. They forget the head. I don't put them really balebala for. I don't see any perekisi balebala sefat. It is not any offense to Baratu. Give on mama, do it again. No, do it again. Isaiah 60 verse 22. When the time is right, I, the Lord. Hallelujah. Somebody shout, Lord, to make it happen. Lord. I push the wall. For 3 months. I push the wall. That's this way. After 3 months, he can't complain that I've been pushing the wall. The wall is not falling. That woman, the target was not for the wall to fall, was to build your muscles. It is bitter, but it is better. You see, problem about but compete my glory because they don't know my story. There is a story behind the glory. But we are in services. We are I said to what's one more? Tonight. And I never told them to risk it. Like I mentioned, it's a hundred. Who's we the more? Why do I say it's a hundred? Who's we the more? If I can go dead, I will suffer. Never allow your storm to be your stop. I get it off and I'm not about to give up. Yeah. How many people say I'm not about to give up? For nobody told me that the road will be easy. But I don't believe he brought me this far to leave me. Diamansi, umshediwa, agalali, agawoseli, napesheli kona. Mupesane ke masisutu ore. Mabuponga di no kasa Babilona. Kene ke dutsi rela. Ha re population. E matumi maruka. Mare compagni figlia. Ya mare camina joa. I fila sa Jehova. Le facce la badiciava. E parlerà e zaposo. Raffagnea di harepa salona. Li tuane niate. Kasheno ki matakatumelo. Akwetse le soche na I want it back. I went to the church and I want it back. I want my peace back. I want my family back. I want my marriage back. Your comeback will be greater than your setback. For the sufferings of the present time can never be compared to the glory. Somebody shout, there is glory after this. There is glory after this. Are you ready? I'm gonna count to 1, 2, 3, and I want you to shout Jesus. 1, 2, 3. Everyone say Jesus. God bless you.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah.